Such a beautiful lullaby. I am talking to you about this fantastic song, Baby Mine, from Walt Disney's Dumbo, 1941. I've taken it directly from this book, Disney Classics, right here. And there is a CD accompaniment. You can also get the downloadable tracks from Hal Leonard. Links in the description below to get this book. And today you're going to learn how to play Baby Mine from Walt Disney's Dumbo, 1941, on your cello. It is a beautiful and wonderful song by Ned Washington and Frank Churchill, and though the book has given us some bowings, we're going to dive into my edit. And one thing I want you to concern yourself with is the very 1, 2, 3, 4 measures. Again, follow along in the book that you have. These first measures, you have 2 measures of rest of the accompaniment, and then you come right in. Let the bow go as it goes. As we say in music, as it comes. So if you do it correctly, this will what happen. Measure 5, up bow. That's all you have to do. I have done a special edit here. If you want to look and take a quick note, in measure 8 to measure 9, right here, it's a triple portato, and you're going to be playing in the half position right here, like that. And so I think it's a little bit better for the phrasing. Continuing forward with the bowing, I have connected in measure 15 and 16 if you want to connect that triplet to the next quarter note, and also from measure 17 to measure 18, again connecting those. I think it does a good job in the phrasing, because if you see, and then you remain there, so I really like the way the bow kind of comes together when you link those two. Last thing, of course, is the last 3 measures. You see this very long phrase, this very long A. You can hold it all the way. You can also change directions. It's really not set in stone. Before we get to the fingerings, a word on the edits I make to these songs. You'll see right here both fingerings above and below the stave. That means you change positions. With these very simple songs by Disney, you can play in different octaves because the melodies are quite easy to follow. And so for the purpose of this song, the top fingerings will be here in the lower octave, and the bottom fingerings will be in the upper octave. To save time, I'm just going to talk about the lower octave fingerings, the ones that are marked. And we start right here, right away. In the upper 3rd position, it is a yellow colored bracket. If you need to review the upper 3rd position, the video in the corner of the screen will help you with that. So you start right here, 1 on the C sharp, and then shifting back, 3, 1, 3. For clarity, these triple dots is the 4th finger in the 1st position. These triple dots is my 1st finger in the 4th position. Okay, let's continue forward. In measure 7, we start in the upper 2nd position, 1, 4, 1, and then shifting to 1st position, 0, 1, 3, and I suggest you drop a bar, which is this technique. You drop the bar, and it's really nicely smooth. Otherwise, you're hopping your finger across, whichever you are capable of doing. And then after that, you will shift up to the upper 2nd position for 2 notes, then shifting back to the half position for the remainder of the phrase. Half. All together from measure 7, 8, and 9. Continuing forward in measure 11, you have the +4 2 +4, which we are simply playing in an extended first position there and also here. Extended first position is important for the placement of your thumb, so make sure your thumb is behind your middle finger. And you repeat that for the next phrase. Going forward to measure 15, 16, 17, we start here in the upper second position. The upper second position allows you to play your G sharp and your C sharp without any stretching, and also the A without a string cross. And then continuing there in measure 17, shifting your hand back, expanding it to the half position, then 18 to G sharp, extended first position. And if you want, you can do a little glissando right here at the, that's why I make that arrow, at the recapitulation. Thank you so much for watching my video today on how to play Baby Mine on your cello. Little quick note is, of course, I'm a massive fan of Disney, as you can see, and you will get more of these videos in the foreseeable future. And my own personal opinion about Baby Mine and this scene is the saddest scene ever in any Disney movie. Now, you can certainly chime in and give me your opinion in the comments section. I would love to hear it. But for me, seeing Dumbo cradled by his mother, who is in jail, and crying with, by the way, not only is he crying, but the mouse is crying, all the other mothers are with their babies. It's super sad. And in my opinion, set the bar pretty high for all the feels we get when it comes to these wonderful Disney movies we have grown up with. Yes, Disney has been making fantastic movies since the late 30s, and I can't get enough of them, and I hope you can't too. So, with that said, thank you for watching. If you learned something today, leave a like. Consider subscribing. I do this as much as I can, and hopefully on a regular basis. And if you know someone who's a massive Disney fan like I am, please share this video with them. Again, if you are interested in getting this copy of the score, you can certainly purchase it from Amazon in the link in the description below. Here is the book. It is Disney Classics, and it comes with accompaniments from the wonderful publisher Hal Leonard. Yes. And for all of you out there who have lasted this long in the video, I thank you once again. And wherever you are, and whatever you're doing in the world, thank you for spending your time here on my channel as you travel along your own journey of music discovery. Can't get enough of that. Absolutely love this lullaby. Mm. Mm, 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 mm.